Greetings! Welcome to the Aligning with Source Vibration course. This is Module 2, Deepening Your Alignment. Welcome back! If you're here, you've decided you're ready to begin the Source Vibration journey, and I'm so honored to guide you. In Module 1, we covered the overall course structure and helped you assess your readiness. Now, we're getting specific about Video 1, your first direct experience with Source Vibration alignment. Over the next few minutes, I'll walk you through exactly what happens in Video 1, how to prepare yourself for the experience, and what to focus on during your practice. Let's dive in. Section 1, What You're About to Experience. Video 1 is 30 minutes long and serves as your gateway into this work. Here's the journey you'll take. Minutes 0 to 2, the awakening questions. We start with key questions that unlock spiritual awakening. I'm going to challenge some assumptions you might have about spirituality and show you a different way of understanding your path. These aren't rhetorical questions. They're designed to shift your perspective before we even begin the practice. Pay attention to what stirs in you as you hear them. Minutes 2 to 5, Understanding Source Vibration. Here's where we explore what source vibration actually is, not as a concept, but as a lived reality in your body. You'll learn how your physical form is designed to send and receive vibrational information. This is the science behind the spirituality, understanding that you are, at the most fundamental level, made of vibration. Minutes 5 to 6, the frequency framework. I'll introduce you to the frequency layers of your body and the concept of cellular coherence. This is your foundation, the building blocks that make everything else possible. We'll also touch on shamanic journey techniques that you'll use throughout this course. Consider this your introduction to traveling between worlds of consciousness. If you need more guidance on shamanic journeying, check out the course here on YouTube. Minutes 6 to 30, your first journey. Then we drop into a 23-minute guided shamanic journey, your first direct experience of source vibration alignment. This is where the teaching becomes embodied. You'll be guided through techniques that connect you with this highest frequency. The music, the voice guidance, and your own inner wisdom will work together. What happens after? At the end, I'll tell you exactly what comes next, how to integrate what you've experienced, and when you'll be ready for Video 2. Section 2, Preparing for Your Experience. Set yourself up for success. Let me help you create the optimal conditions for this work. Your physical space. Find a quiet place where you won't be interrupted for at least 45 minutes. This includes the 30-minute video plus 15 minutes for journaling afterward. Turn off notifications on all devices. This is sacred time. Consider lighting a candle or creating a simple altar if that resonates. Have your journal and the Video 1 companion PDF nearby. Your physical comfort. Wear comfortable, loose clothing. You can sit or lie down, whatever allows you to be still and alert. Have water nearby. Energy work can be dehydrating. A blanket can be nice, as your body temperature may shift during meditation. Your mental emotional state? Don't do this when you're exhausted or rushed. Choose a time when you're calm and present. If you're in acute emotional distress, wait for a more stable day. Come with curiosity rather than expectation. Your intention. Before you press play, take 3 deep breaths. Ask yourself, what do I most need from this experience right now? Hold that intention gently. Don't grip it, just acknowledge it. Then let it go and trust the process. Section 3, What to Focus On. During the teaching section, this is your cognitive understanding phase. Your job here is to listen actively. Let the concepts sink in without trying to memorize. Notice your reactions. What excites you? What creates resistance? Allow questions to arise. You don't need to answer them yet. Stay present. If your mind wanders, gently bring it back. During the journey, this is where you shift from thinking to experiencing. Your job here is to follow the guidance. Trust the prompts I give you. Feel rather than think. Drop out of analysis into sensation. Stay with your breath. It's your anchor when things get intense. Notice without judgment. Whatever arises is perfect. Trust your body. It knows how to do this work. You might experience tingling or energy sensations in your body, emotional releases, Tears, laughter, warmth, visual images or colors behind closed eyes, a sense of expansion or floating, deep peace or stillness. Nothing dramatic at all, and that's perfect too. There's no correct experience. Your system will take exactly what it needs from this practice. Section 4, the viewing modes. Remember from Module 1, there are 3 ways to work with these videos. For your first viewing, I recommend eyes open with full visual engagement. Watch the entire video. Let the imagery guide you. This helps your conscious mind understand what's happening and establishes the framework. For viewings 2 through 4, continue with eyes open or try eyes closed with headphones. Experiment and see what feels right. The closed eye practice tends to take you deeper once you're familiar with the structure. For viewings 5 through 7, eyes closed with good quality headphones is ideal. You know the journey now, so you can surrender more fully into the sound frequencies and let them work on your nervous system. Later, you can use video 1 as sleep integration, playing it as you drift off, but only do this after you've watched actively at least 5 times. Your subconscious needs the conscious framework first. Section 5, after your journey. Don't rush back to normal life. When the video ends, take at least 10 to 15 minutes to integrate. Immediate integration, first 5 minutes. Sit or lie still with eyes closed. Take several deep breaths. Notice how your body feels. Notice your energy state. Don't analyze, just observe. Journaling, open your companion PDF or journal. Write down whatever wants to come through. Physical sensations you noticed, emotions that moved, insights or downloads, images or visions, questions that arose, how you feel now compared to before. Throughout the day, drink extra water, move gently, walk, stretch, yoga. Avoid intense stimulation for a few hours. Notice dreams that night and the next morning. Be patient with integration. Shifts happen in layers. Section 6, what's normal? Let's talk about what's typical as you work with video 1 multiple times. Physical experiences, temperature shifts, hot or cold, tingling, buzzing, or vibration sensations, feeling heavy or light, gentle body movements or twitches, deep relaxation or energized alertness. Emotional experiences, unexpected tears, not sadness, just release, waves of joy or peace, brief anxiety or resistance, that's just ego protecting itself. Feeling nothing, then sudden emotional waves later. Mental experiences, mind quieting more easily with each viewing. Concepts from the teaching suddenly clicking days later. Dreams becoming more vivid, increased synchronicities in daily life. Energy experiences, heightened sensitivity to people and environments. Needing more sleep or sleeping less but feeling rested. Foods, relationships, or activities suddenly feeling off, being drawn to nature, silence, or solitude. All of this is your system recalibrating to higher frequencies. If anything feels too intense or overwhelming, take a break for a day or 2, do grounding practices, walk barefoot, eat root vegetables, physical exercise, reach out for support if needed. Trust that you can't break yourself, you're just expanding. Section 7, the 2-week commitment. Here's why we recommend at least 2 weeks with video 1. Week 1, foundation. Viewings 1 to 3, your conscious mind is learning. You're understanding the concepts. You're getting familiar with the journey structure. Your nervous system is beginning to recognize these frequencies. Week 2, deepening. Viewings 4 to 7, your subconscious takes over. You're dropping deeper with less effort. The real shifts start happening. Integration becomes obvious in daily life. By the end of 2 weeks, the practice feels natural. You notice changes in how you respond to stress. You have moments of spontaneous alignment. You feel genuinely ready for video 2's deeper dive. Don't rush this. I know it's tempting to move faster, but your cells, your neural pathways, your energy field, they need time to integrate each level before moving to the next. Trust the timing. You'll know when you're ready for video 2. Section 8. Signs you're ready for video 2. You'll know you're ready to move to video 2 when integration signs. You've watched video 1 at least 7 times over 2+ weeks. The practice feels familiar and comfortable. You can drop into the meditative state more easily. You're noticing shifts in your daily life. Embodiment signs. The concepts from video 1 make sense in your body, not just your mind. You can feel your cellular vibration. You understand your body as an instrument. You have moments of spontaneous coherence. Desire signs. You feel genuinely called to go deeper. You're curious about the next layer. You have energy for more intensive work. You're not forcing it. It feels natural. If you're not there yet, and that's most people at 2 weeks, give yourself more time. There's no prize for finishing fast. The prize is the transformation, and that requires patience. Closing. You're about to take your first step into a profound journey of alignment with source vibration. This isn't just another meditation you'll do once. This is a practice that will work on you at cellular, emotional, mental, and spiritual levels if you give it the time and space it needs. Remember, prepare your space mindfully, watch with presence and curiosity, journal after each session. Give yourself at least 2 weeks. Trust your body's wisdom. Be patient with the process. I'm honored to guide you through this experience. When you're ready, and only when you're ready, press play on video 1. I'll meet you there.